A freestanding handstand is one of the hardest milestones in calisthenics. Welcome back everyone to another video. Today is day 96, so let's jump into it. As we all already know, we always start with warming up the wrists and shoulders. So after that, I began to do 5 handstand attempts. As the last 2, I tried to slow up the kick up to try to get that alignment right. Next exercise is the frog pose. This exercise mainly focuses on balance, so you want to actively grip the floor so you don't lose that balance. The next exercise, which is the L-sit, is mainly focusing on the core and partly on the hip flexors as well. So you really want to keep that core tight and your legs very straight. For the last exercise, which is the floating pike push-up, targets the shoulders. So the floating pike push-up puts more load on your shoulders than the normal pike push-up. So it really builds that shoulder strength. Mastering skills takes time, and you will enjoy that time the more you train the skills. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.